Welcome to Coffee and Chalk. Thank you for joining me this morning. If you are watching me on the replay, please type replay. If you're watching me live, please say hello. How are you guys doing this morning? I am still super tired, but we're gonna do this anyways. I want to show you guys something pretty cool. I want to show you how you can work with embellishments. And what I mean by that is adding a three-dimensional accent to your pieces. So let me quickly share this like I always do. I'm going to share this with my VIP group. And if you are not in my VIP group, you need to be. You know why? Because my VIP group is where I share bundles, deals, specials, promotions, freebies, giveaways, all that stuff. And you have to be in the VIP group to see that. So if you want to have access to all those deals and stuff, then you need to be in the VIP group. So comment VIP below so that I can get you the link and get you in that group. I do have 2 promotions going on right now in that group. If you want to know what those are, type promo. They do end today. They were only through the 15th of the month. So if you want to know what those promos are and maybe take advantage of them, then definitely comment promo so that I can show you or let you know what those are so that you can take advantage. They go through today. So they end today. Just FYI. What else did I want to share? Oh, one other thing. Chalk boxes. Okay, so chalk boxes just came out yesterday, and it's super cool. You know how I talked about the subscription boxes that we have where you get something every month, and it's a 3-month minimum, blah, 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 right? This is just the one box. You're not signing up for any subscription or anything like that. And it's a full kit. It comes with your surface, your transfer, your ink or paste that you need. We have 4 different options of boxes. There's 4 different kits. If you want to know what those kits look like and their price points, comment below chalk boxes. Chalk boxes. Yeah. Comment that, and I will show you the 4 different options that we have for chalk boxes and the price points. They're super awesome. There's actually a kit for the pillow I did yesterday. It comes with the pillowcase and the transfer, and it comes with a jar of gold ink. It's awesome. So anyone who purchases a chalk box is going to get a free gift from me. I'm not going to tell you what the free gift is on here because you have to be in my VIP group. So that's why you got to comment VIP below so that you can be in my VIP group so that you can know about those deals and specials and stuff like that. Okay. All right. So let's get to it. So like I said, today we're going to work with embellishments. And basically what that means is I am just going to add a, man, you know, I can never find the right spot to put this. It means that I'm going to just be adding a 3-dimensional piece to my piece. Yeah. I don't know how else to say that. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to use this great box frame that we sell, actually. And I forget what the dimensions are on this one. If you're curious, just comment that below and I'll let you know. I forget what they are off the top of my head. But the cool thing is you can actually chalk on both sides of this. I've seen people chalk on this side and hang it up using this. Hang it up like so. And I've seen people chalk on this side and use it to stand it up or whatever. Okay. So it's pretty cool, pretty versatile. We're going to do a real simple project, but we're going to make it pop with this huge flower, okay? So we're going to do the word home. And instead of the O, we're going to put this huge flower. It's going to be so pretty. So now you can kind of see I'm going to have to do the H and then peel this off and move the ME over a little bit just because my flower is so big. But that is okay. So let's get started. Oh, and I chose to use navy blue for the letters. I thought the navy and the burgundy would go together really well. So, go ahead and peel off this home. We will fuzz her a little bit. Take some coffee. Yes, so I still can't get my baby to sleep through the night, and I'm like stressing. Okay, let me move this off to the side so I can pull this down further. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to do the H first, and then, okay, so now she's fussing, so give me 1 minute while I take care of that. 1 second. Okay, okay, so I like to use a squeegee in order to make sure that I have no air bubbles, make sure that this is flat as can be on here. And then I like to take my finger and I like to rub it around the edges just to make sure that we are sealed. I don't want this to bleed at all. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so now we're going to go in here with our blue chalk paste. Or it's navy. It's actually just called navy. Okay, and we are a little bit thick. So I want to spray this. Not a lot, but a little. I think 1 spritz will be good. Stir it up. Also, don't forget, guys, I still have, I have more, actually I'm making more today, accessory kits and sample kits. So if you wanted to just try this out, but you don't want to make such a huge commitment and buy, you know, a large transfer or full jars of paste or anything like that, I do have sample kits. Those sample kits come with a mini chalkboard, a mini transfer, a mini squeegee, and a paste single. So, and the paste single actually goes a lot farther than you think it would. It less, I mean, you can use it for more than one project, surprisingly. Okay, so I think we're good here now. This is a little bit more creamy. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this on our H. Make sure it's all covered. Now we can scrape off, I got some paint right there, scrape off our excess. Okay, great. Now I'm going to peel that up because I want to move the ME over. So awesome. We're well on our way. It looks good so far. Okay, so now I want to line up where this is going to be so that I can make sure that my ME is lined up. If I had a smaller flower, I could probably just do the home straight across and then put this instead of doing the O. But I decided to get a huge flower, so that's what we're dealing with here. How do I want the flower? Like that? That looks pretty, right? Yep. Okay, so then the ME, I'm going to want like here, I'm thinking. Yep. I'm good with that. Okay, I do want to make sure that it's lined up with the H though. So, okay. Okay. Next straight. Also, like I was saying, I do have accessory kits, and what the accessory kits come with is they come with a board eraser, a stick of wax, a stir stick, and a mini squeegee. So if you get both of those, it kind of gives you an opportunity to try all the products, really. Majority of them. The board erasers are awesome. They're dual purpose. They work to erase your boards, no ghosting, and they also work to clean your transfers. I use them a lot to clean my transfers, and they last a long time. But they work awesome to get all the paint off my transfers like really easily and quickly. Okay, just making sure that this is sealed. I'm like paranoid when it comes to that because I'm a weirdo. Okay, so now we're gonna go in here with our blue, or navy, I'm sorry. And we're gonna cover the M. Hey, Miss Ella, are you chatting this morning? She's been chatting all morning. That's why I'm a little bit late on here. Well, she had me up really early. And then, so I brought her down to the family room. And she was just chatting up a storm. And it's hard for me to, like, sleep or anything because I'm like, she's so cute. I just want to watch her. Watch her chat. It's so cute. Until that happens. She gets fussy. But see, she's not even fussy. She's just making that noise to get my attention. Aren't you, Ella? Just trying to get mommy's attention. Because she'll make like a noise, like it kind of sounds like she's unhappy, but then towards the end of it, it's like, like you know she's not upset. She's just yelling. Okay, so I got all my excess off, so I'm going to go ahead and peel this up. Perfect. I am happy with that. Looks great. Okay, so now I can cover up my jar of paste here. Put my squeegee off to the side to be cleaned. And I really need a wet wipe for my hands. Also, if you're local in the area, Metro DC area or Northern Virginia, oh my God, look at this. I have this blue or navy paint all over me, chalk paste. If you're local, tomorrow I'm actually going to be, and when I say local, this is actually not really that close to me. So actually, if you're in like the Fredericksburg area or anywhere close to there, I'll be in Fredericksburg tomorrow doing a craft show. So that'll be super fun. So if you want to stop by and see any of the products, pick up a sample pack, or I will have some of my finished pieces there as well. If you want to take a look at any of those. But then I will have tons of like chalk paste and ink and boards and all types of fun stuff. So if you don't want to wait for shipping or pay for shipping, then you can come to one of those events and get stuff. Yeah, my hand is really blue. Okay, so I'm going to run a dryer over this just because I don't want to smudge anything with my hands or anything like that. So I'm going to run the dryer over this real quick. All right. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I have my glue gun here. And we are going to load this guy up with some glue. And we are going to put it right, center it there. How pretty is that going to be? I'm so excited. Okay. So, putting a whole bunch of glue. I'm going to hold that on there, like so. How cute is our sign? I love it. You can always add more glue if you need to. But look at our sign. It's so pretty. Look at that. I am loving it. It's beautiful. But that is like just a quick and easy way to do a quick project with like something that makes it pop. Yeah, I am loving it. It looks really great. So there's other stuff you can do. You've seen me do like ribbons and stuff. But I'm going to start to try to do some more of these embellishments because I really think it takes a really simple project and just really makes it, God, I can't think of the word that I'm thinking of. It really makes it like drastically, it really makes it pop. I don't know what else to say. But anyways, so yeah, that didn't take us very long either. It took us about 15 minutes to make that. I don't even think it took us that long. Cause I spent a lot of time, you know, I do the sharing and all that stuff because I'm looking at the time right now. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions about joining my VIP group, or if you want to know what the promos are today, or if you're interested in a sample pack or accessory kit or chalk boxes, don't forget about chalk boxes. If you want to know what the chalk boxes look like, ask me about that too. And if I do see you in Fredericksburg this weekend, that's awesome. Hey Autumn. The show I'm doing on Saturday is called The Whole Shebang, if you're looking it up on Facebook. So yeah, I will be there all day on Saturday. I think it goes until 3. So, and that's in Fredericksburg. So I will see you guys. Yeah, okay, Tom, awesome. Yeah, it takes it to the next level, right? Look how pretty that is. I am in love with it. It looks gorgeous. Okay, well, thank you guys for joining me. I think Ella is ready for me to pick her up. Gosh, babies are so needy, right? Just kidding. Okay, so thanks again. And if you guys have anything that you need from me, please reach out to me. I'm always here for you. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and cheers.